51 sentences that we use in the classroom. I say the sentence, you repeat after me. Let's start. Take your seats. Pay attention, please. Open your books. Look at the bird. Write this down. Read after me. Repeat after me. Who can answer this question? Raise your hand. Be quiet, please. Work in pairs. Work in groups. Come to the bird. Do your homework. Show me your homework. Fill in the blanks. Let's start the lesson. Turn to page 29. This is the correct answer. How do you spell dictionary? What's teacher in Pashto? The first period ends in 10 minutes. The midterm exam starts in June. The final term exams take place in March 2026. Start full preparation for the final exams 2 months in advance. Ali always stands first in the class. May I ask a question, teacher? May I answer this question? Can you explain this word? Can I write on the bird? May I drink water? Whose book is this? I need help with this task. I'm sorry for being late. May I go to the washroom, please? Ali is very tidy and punctual. Please don't be untidy. Please allow me to speak. Could you repeat that, please? I didn't catch that. I didn't understand that. Sorry, I forgot my homework at home. When is recess? Recess lasts for 30 minutes. Don't forget to bring your notebook tomorrow. Try not to make the same mistake again. Always seek permission before entering the class. Please don't talk to each other during the lesson. Next time I'll be stricter about this mistake. Regularity, punctuality, and hard work are the keys to success. Say goodbye to the teacher before leaving.